Solar is one of the most popular and fastest growing technologies for residents and businesses. One of the biggest reasons for this growth is facilities in a wide variety of industries across the nation are seeing the benefits of adopting solar technology. Solar is a no-brainer for both financial and environmental reasons. If you install solar at your facility, you'll see huge energy savings, decrease your carbon footprint, and be able to demonstrate to your stakeholders that your company is committed to clean energy and a sustainable future. It's now easier than ever to see quick returns on solar investments. On top of the savings you'll see once your solar system is installed, there are numerous ways to save from a tax perspective. There is a federal solar investment tax credit, bonus depreciation, and some states offer credits on state taxes. Then there are multiple rebates and incentives provided by local utilities for businesses that choose solar. A solar system installation isn't as simple as choosing the panels and putting them up. There is a lot more that goes into the process, including the design of the system, permitting, and applying for incentives. We've had dozens of successful builds on all different types of solar projects, from roof mounts, carports, to ground installations. We'll find out what solution works best for your goals and facilities layout. Don't let yet another day go by without taking advantage of the clean energy you've heard so much about. Reach out to us today.